English and IELTS at school. Can you spell in the evening? Yes, I can. In the evening, I spell INTEVENING. Can you spell at night? Yes, I can. At night, I spell ATNIGHT. Can you spell practicing? Yes, I can. Practicing, I spell PRACTICING. Can you spell piano? Yes, I can. Piano, I spell PIANO. Can you spell dinner? Yes, I can. Dinner, I spell DINNER. Can you spell doing? Yes, I can. Doing,